Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Hinal Kavanatru and currently I am working as an intern in Digital Hamlet. So where we have created different projects through AI. Now let me show you my first project which is about Crystal Vedic Sky in which I have created different cells. First of all we have live sky, second we have Panchang and birth chart and also compatibility criteria also and different nakshatra. Mainly I am big fan of nakshatra, that's why I have added this portal in it. And you can also check your present birth sky after filling full details in it, and the present sky structure, the at the perfect timing where you have born. Second, we have also created a smart crowd management system in which we can enter details in two forms. First of all, through AI, that is through live data, and second through manual entry also. If I first detect with AI, so it will detect how many persons are there and will start the camera, and we will find out how many people are there and how we are gonna manage the crowd and shuffle it. Okay, and after filling manual entry, we can also see live dashboard and also edit in it also. Third, I have created Ecoverse website. So now it is about Ecoverse website. How we are gonna save our Earth and how we can minimize pollution and different kinds of things. Mainly how we can sustain our Earth. So I have created four different products like how pollution cleaner, plant versus carbon monster, ocean cleanup, and human energy generator. So in ocean, we can create it using AI, and also upgrade it using hand gestures also by using different kinds of fingers. And in the same way, I have different. मेनली ये पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल है, इससे जेस्चर से हम इसको बता सकते हैं कि वन फिंगर से इसका जो भी स्मोक है आप देख सकते हो वो सारा खत्म हो गया है। सेकंड फिंगर से इनका जो भी था ये पूरा क्लीन हो गया है। थर्ड फिंगर से जहाँ पे ये डॉडलिंग हो गई, मतलब लाइट ना स्टार्ट और वो हो गया है। और जो मैं अगर पूरे 10 फिंगर्स दिखाऊंगी तो अपना पूरा रिस्टोरेशन हो गया, आप बर्ड्स को दे सकते हो। मतलब मेनली हाउ वी कैन सेव अवर एनवायरनमेंट एंड हाउ वी कैन सेव इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, मेन इस वाले प्रोजेक्ट का ये मोटो था। नेक्स्ट था नियॉन एयर से, मतलब हम एयर के अंदर हम कैसे ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं। तो यहाँ पे डिफरेंट पैनल्स आपने देख रखे होंगे, ये एआई के थ्रू मेनली वर्क करेगा। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये डिटेक्ट करेगा, ये हैंड जेस्चर्स पे मेनली डिटेक्ट करेगा कि हाउ इट गोना वर्क। एंड फर्स्ट फिंगर से हम इसके अंदर लिख सकते हैं, सेकंड फिंगर से अगर कोई भी प्लेस को हमें मूव करना है वो कर सकते हैं। एंड अगर मुझे इसके अंदर पोज करना है तो मुझे जस्ट फिस्ट शो करना है। ओके, लेट्स सी। एज यू कैन सी मैं यहाँ पे ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ इंडेक्स फिंगर से। टू फिंगर से मैं इसको प्लेस कर सकती हूँ किसी भी प्लेस पे, एंड बाय शोइंग माय पाम आई कैन इरेज इट। एंड इफ हैव टू जस्ट मूव एज अ पोज, मुझे अगर कुछ इसके अंदर कुछ ड्रॉ नहीं करना है तो जस्ट एज अ फिस्ट में शो कर सकती हूँ। So it is like this, and you can also use different colors also, like I have clicked on purple color so it's coming like this. Okay, here it's like a different size panel also, clear option is also there, and undo panel is also there. Okay, next we have 3D solar system. It is how we can learn more about solar system. So using hand gestures I have created, mainly using AI and the combo of hand gestures I have created this. First of all, by showing open palm we can visualize the full surrounding of solar system. Mainly if I'm showing any index finger and pointing on any of this planet, you can see the information pattern is already there. That is, I am showing on Mercury, so Mercury panel is already there. If I click on Sun, the Sun information panel is already there. I have to open my arm, so you can see it's the project is zooming in, and you have and I and as I'm closing it, it is zooming out. Okay, next we have 3D crystal formation. So I am using my phone and using my phone flashlight and through that creating a 3D crystal. As you can see, I have, yeah, as you can see, it has formed, and through hand gestures you can rotate it and also change its colors. So I am just pinching it, and as you can see, the color of the crystal is already changing. And through hand gestures, we can move it and rotate it also. And and I have also created a doctor platform. That is how we are going to contact different doctors, and in which we have four different categories, like how we can use instant video consultation, how we can call nurses also. In this, we have different things also, like general care, health care, and for finding doctors, like we have different panel for doctors also. And it has different services panel also. If I click on doctor listing platform, and these all are working, and we have created through AI only. uh, we have included different animations also, and along with a slider and different testimonials, along with information panels of different doctors, and like book appointments and Google Map integration, along with different kinds of ratings of doctors also, all this. And a contact form also, that is how they are going to contact us, and different things. So mainly we have used different technologies, and along with different kinds of AI features. Thank you.